Hello students, welcome to my journey. In this session we are going to see exercise 7.3 sum number 4 and 5. Before that, please subscribe my channel. Sum number 4, sine cube 2x plus 1. So we have to integrate this. So let us write integral sine cube 2x plus 1 into dx. So actually I can write x cube to be as x square into x. So the same concept we are using. So sine cube 2x plus 1 we can write it as sine square 2x plus 1 into sine 2x plus 1. Sine 2x plus 1 into dx. So now we can write this sine square theta, we can write sine square theta as 1 minus cos square theta. So the same concept we are going to use. So in the place of theta I am having 2x plus 1. So we can write it as integral 1 minus cos square 2x plus 1 into sine 2x plus 1 into dx. This sine 2x plus 1 is common for both the terms. So that's why we used bracket. So now let us take the substitution t is equal to cos 2x plus 1. So whenever we take a substitution, we have to differentiate that. So when I used to differentiate, we get differentiate with respect to x. So dt divided by dx is equal to cos x. If I use to differentiate, we get minus sin x. So minus sin 2x plus 1, and the particular 2x plus 1 has to be differentiated. When I differentiate particular 2x plus 1, we get only 2. So we are left with dt is equal to minus 2 sin 2x plus 1 into dx. So from this we get the value of dx. So dx is equal to minus dt divided by 2 into sine 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1. So we got the value of t and as well as the dx value. So we have to substitute both the values in the given question. So now this implies integral 1 minus cos square 2x plus 1, I can write it as t square into sine 2x plus 1, sine 2x plus 1, dx value to be as minus dt divided by 2 into sine 2x plus 1. So sine 2x plus 1 is cancelled in both numerator and denominator, and we are left with minus 1 by 2, which we can keep outside the integral, into 1 minus t square dt. So this is equal to, so this value is equal to minus 1 by 2 integral dt minus t square, integral t square dt. This 1 by 2 is common, and minus 1 by 2 integral of dt gives us t minus integral of t square gives us t cube divided by 3. As we know, the integral of x power n is nothing but x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So that concept we are using. So after that 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 cos t value is nothing but cos 2x plus 1 minus cos cube 2x plus 1 divided by 3 plus c, divided by 3 plus c. So minus I had put it. The next thing is multiplying minus 1 by 2 inside the term. So what happens? Minus cos 2x plus 1 divided by 2, minus into minus gives us plus cos cube 2x plus 1 divided by 6, 2 3s are 6, plus c. This is the answer. Next, moving towards sum number 5. Cos cube, integral sine cube x cos cube x dx. So here let us take the substitution to be as t is equal to cos x. So after taking the substitution, I have to differentiate with respect to x. So dt divided by dx is equal to minus sin x. If we differentiate cos x, we get minus sin x. After that, we want to get the value of dx. So dt is equal to minus sin x into dx. So dx is equal to minus dt divided by sin x. So we got both the value of t and as well as dx. So let us substitute. So this is nothing but integral sin cube x into cos cube x. It is nothing but t cube into dx. Dx value is minus dt divided by sin x. Sin x get cancelled, and we are left with minus integral sin square x into t cube dt. So now we can write sin square x to be as 1 minus cos square x into t cube dt. So this is equal to minus multiplying 1 minus cos square x. Cos square x is nothing but t square into t cube dt. So let us multiply now. So integral minus integral t cube minus t power 5 dt. So multiplying t cube inside the term. So this is nothing but minus integral t cube dt minus integral t power 5 dt. So we had splitted the integral. So this value is nothing but t power 4 divided by 4 minus t power 6 divided by 6. So we use the formula that integral x power n is equal to x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So that concept we are applying here. So this is equal to minus t value is cos x. So cos power 4x by 4 plus cos power 6x divided by 6 plus c. So this is equal to cos power 6x divided by 6 minus cos power 4x divided by 4 plus c is the answer. So we highlighted this.